Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up an Amazon Fire Stick to your TV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step that you need to do is plug in the Fire Stick. Plug in the Fire Stick into the HDMI port on your TV. Use the HDMI extender if space is tight, then connect the USB power cable to the Fire TV stick, then plug the other end to the power adapter. The next step is to turn on the TV. Turn on your TV and use the remote to select correct HDMI input, and you should see the Fire TV setup screen. The next step is to pair the remote. Simply insert the batteries into the Fire TV remote, press and hold the home button for the 10 seconds and wait for the remote to pair. Then once done, choose your language and Wi-Fi, select your language and connect to your Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password. The next step is to sign into Amazon. Simply sign in with your Amazon account or create one if you don't have it. Then lastly, choose settings like apps, Alexa, parental controls, and Fire TV will install updates, and you will land on the home screen of the Fire TV. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.